Hey guys, my name is Breeden, and I wanted to get my first video of hopefully many of some of the issues that I have come across daily as an IT professional. Now, I was trying to figure out what my first video should be about, and bang, I mean, it just hit me. It had to be about the most asked question that I get about computers, and that is, why is my computer running so slow, or where are these warnings popping up on my screen coming from? Well, the most common answer to this is malware. Now, what is malware, you ask? Malware is short for malicious software. I mean, basically, it's software that they use to disrupt your computer operations, gather sensitive information, gain access to private computer systems, or actually display unwanted advertising. Now, you get this so easily now as you browse to your favorite websites, so it's getting very easy to catch, and a lot of people get it all the time. So, the first question is, how do I get rid of it? Well, first off, I'm going to admit to you right now, I am cheap. I'm not afraid to admit it. So actually, I'm going to show you some of these absolutely free programs that I use to clean up computers that people bring me. Now, don't tell them about these because, hey, that's where I make some of my extra cash from. Okay, but first, once malware has infected your computer, it tries its best to hide itself and keep you from removing it. So the first little program I'm going to show you guys about today is a little program called Rkill. Now, Rkill was developed by bleepingcomputer.com. It was created so that you have an easy to use tool that kills known processes and remove Windows registry entries so that it stops the user from using their normal security applications. Simple as that, nothing fancy. It just goes through there and looks for known malware processes and cleans up some of the registry keys so that your security programs can't do their job. Now, to get this free program, it's really simple to do. All we're going to do is actually bring up any internet browser, go to Google, and just type in Rkill, Rkill. Automatically, bam, at the very top, you'll see Rkill download bleeping computer at the very top. So we're just going to click on that. Now, once it loads up here, sorry, my internet's a little bit slow right now. I'm actually need to fix some things here myself. But you'll see that the Rkill 2.8.4.0 is actually the current one down there. Now, it has multiple download versions there at the top here. You'll see the download now from Bleeping Computer, which is just the executable. You also have an rkill.com, iExplorer.exe. Now, the reason they have so many different options as this is because certain malware is designed to actually keep you from actually running executables that actually might try to get rid of them. So first off, just use the download now at Bleeping Computers, download it, see if it works. If it keeps you from actually running it, then go back and try the rkill.com. It's basically the same program, just labeled differently, so it tricks the malware into saying, oh, okay, you're safe. You're not going to get rid of me. So hey, go ahead and run. So first thing all you're going to do is actually just download this and run it. I mean, it's basically a simple process of just downloading it and going. Eventually here it's going to pop up. Then we're going to get going here. Okay, sorry I paused that. It has this annoying video that pops up. You might be interested to you. To me, it's just loud and annoying. So I just paused it, stopped it, then resumed back. You'll see that the Rkill, I'm using actual Firefox to download. It'll pop up here to save the file. So we're just going to click the file, save it. It's a very, very small file to go here. You'll see it's only 1.9 megabytes. So all we're going to do is actually run this. Now what it's going to do is give it permission here to actually load up here. It's going to bring up your basic command screen here, and it's going to start running. Now it's going to take, depending on how bad your system is, it can take maybe a couple minutes, but it's usually pretty fast. It's just going to go through, like I said, scan the different places, the registry, looks at the processes, stop things that shouldn't be there, and keep going. So like I said, it used to be that Windows 7 and before you could actually very easily get into safe mode on your computer, but for Windows 10 it makes it a little bit harder. So the easiest way I've shown people how to do this is actually just run this, even though the malware is actually in there and running. This does a great job of actually getting rid of it. So just let it do its thing, and I'm going to pause it while it does this and resume once it gets done. Okay, now that it's finished there, it's going to pop up and it's going to let you know that it's actually finished itself, it's ready to go, and it's actually going to create a log file, which is probably just going to save it right on your desktop, so you can actually go back and see what it found. So we're going to hit OK, and it's actually going to display that log file. And if you scroll down, you can actually go through and find some of the stuff that what it did, what it's removed, and to help to stop the processes to get you going. So you're going to do this anytime you run any type of malware software, run your antivirus scans, stuff like that. So that way, anything that's running that's bad, that's keeping it from actually cleaned up, it'll get taken care of. Now another file that's actually free from there is ADW Cleaner. This is a little quick little one that actually cleans up a lot that I use first before any of the others. But for this video, we're just going to worry about the Rkill. I'll hit that one in my next one. So if I actually helped you any, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to get more of these out there as soon as I can. Thanks for joining us.